This week on Cooking Hell, 3 damned souls will battle to the death.
Aren't they already dead?
Shut up, Steve. Each participant will be faced with an array of challenges of a diabolical nature. Their prize? Head Chef of Hades. Abandon all hope, all ye who enter here. Welcome to Cooking Hell. Let's introduce our contestants.
I'm Leo. I worked on a gluten-free, cholesterol-free, animal-free, free-range vegetable farm. Until I was ironically kicked in the face by a cow. But I'm gonna win Best Chef because of my dope personality and my dazzling good looks.
My last employment didn't appreciate my creative qualities as a culinary genius. I intend to revolutionize the cooking industry and be hand-feeding Satan onion rings by the end of this contest.
How did I get here? My name is Pierre, and I do not know how I got here. I make most exquisite pastries. I do not understand this.
And here is your judge, the grill master of the Seventh Circle.
Today, you'll be faced with 2 challenges of cooking cacophony. If you win, you will receive the coveted position of Hell's Head Chef. If you lose, you'll be tossed back to the fire.
I'm feeling really confident about this gig. My opponents don't understand the delicacies of vegan food.
I'm cooking for head chef. Maybe I make pastries that please even demons.
In this first challenge, you will have to make an entree from these limited ingredients. Open box. Now.
I feel this gives me a wide range of options to impress the judges.
Finally, I can release my talent.
Oh no, I do not know how to work with this.
You have 30 minutes. Clock starts now. So what exactly are you looking for in these dishes?
I expect the highest level of quality from these contestants. I expect a creative use of all the ingredients. How are they gonna use that toilet paper? I would normally fillet it with a little bit of salt.
Right, yeah.
I can see that Doug is using the toothpaste, a really bold choice.
Yeah, and I can see Leo is really kind of getting back to his roots there with the veggie burger.
Yeah. So, what do you got going on here, Doug?
Well, this is a chicken and a cheese tilapia. I garnished it with some foil paper and put some egg yolk and some red sauce.
I like what's going on here, Doug. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chef, quick over here. There's a problem with the stove.
All the contestants are finishing up their first entree, but things seem to be heating up for Pierre.
Chef, quick over here. There's a problem with the stove. No, I'm not going to win this. My pastries are ruined.
5 more minutes, Cokes.
I think I'm gonna knock this out of the park. Pierre burned the pastries and Doug, well, Doug is just Doug. I think I'm advancing to the next round.
30 seconds.
And time! Hands in the air!
Contestants, bring out your food.
So what do you have for me, Doug?
This is chicken toothpaste tilapia topped with eggshells garnished with red sauce.
perfectly seasoned. You can taste the toothpaste burning through. Here. Perfectly cooked, perfectly seared. I love the egg yolk, just kind of dripping and molding on top. It's a perfect contrast of the textures. Excellent job. Well done.
Thank you, Chef.
Pierre? So what do you have for me, Pierre?
It is a light sweet and savory pastry. It has nice light syrup with some aged cheese, which I accidentally burnt.
This brings me right back to my first human roast. I can taste the ash and burning. Good memories. Fine work. Excellent job. I'm looking forward to who you'll burn next.
Thank you, Chef.
So first, you should know, when I looked at the ingredients, I immediately threw away the chicken. Blah! With my creative culinary genius, I have created the Leo Burger, created with the power of the veggie. Partake.
Oh, heavens to Betsy! What? My veggie burger! What? Try it again! Oh, great googly moogly! Look, I get. This is like a fire, but veggie burgers are terrible. Get out of here! You are disqualified. You are eliminated from the competition. Your food is terrible. May you eat nothing but Chick-fil-A again.
I really thought I had this competition in the bag, you know. I was even saving my veggie bowl supreme for the next round. It's just back to the lake of fire. Life's just not worth living anymore. But I'm already dead.
For the final round, you must use all of the following ingredients. For this challenge, you have 20 minutes.
My ooey gooey guacamole bars only take 10 minutes. This will be a cinch.
Clock starts now.
I'm honestly surprised that Pierre advanced to the final round. In my years working at McDonald's, my coworkers would call me the Cadillac of the cooking industry. I intend to prove my name tonight.
So Pierre, you don't seem to be using most of the ingredients here.
Well, but these ingredients are terrible.
Well, you'll be disqualified if you don't use them all.
So I'm damned if I do and damned if I don't?
Well, it is hell after all.
Final minute. Hands in the air. This dessert will determine the new head chef of Hades. Pierre?
I have made the chocolate bacon morsel the side of terrible ingredients.
Good mixture of flavors, but it lacks some continuity. I feel like if you had spent a little more time on this, it would have been diabolically good. making this? Ugh! This is so terrible. It tastes like it was made in heaven.
Nothing that is beautiful shall be robed in darkness. Only that which is good shall live forever.
Cut the tape! Cut the tape! Cut the infernal tape!
Wait, he just went to heaven?